Well, hola, Leandro, and thank you for requesting this roast and letting me share it on YouTube. You saw the offer on Next and went for it. So, as you say, let's go. So, here is your website, Sync2Sheets. And first, let me tell you that it's very good. Man, it's great. The hero section here almost cover everything that needs to be done in here. But still, based on things that work very well, software as a service sites, I'm gonna mention a few tweaks that I will try to do. So starting with this, the hero section, you already people will have you are giving some proof like it's an official Notion integration, the reviews, the free 7 days trial, no credit card. That's great. There's just will change a little bit, and is this the subheader. I will use this text to well to go a bit deeper. This first sentence is great for that, um, but I will target the level of effort that needs to be taken by the user to use your. Um, so what is it that I need to do? Because this use formulas to send data to Notion sync itself. It's like you're kind of already saying it, but it's complex. The first time I saw it, it's okay, what is it? Let me concentrate and read it slowly, and let's do it first. So I will try to go to something simpler, like in just 3 steps, just install, sync, and enjoy. 1 minute, or I don't know, something that targets the level of effort that needs to be taken. Okay. Um, what else? The CTA. You say start a free trial. Um, that's okay, but it's kind of generic. I will try to make it more specific to you and what specifically needs to be done by the user. So if I click here, I get to a new window which prompts me to install the Chrome add-on. So what I will do is here you are saying free trial, which is good, but you are saying it already here. So maybe if you swap this text with the reviews, so the free trial is right next to the button, you're already saying free, so there's no need to be said again inside the button. And maybe you can mention the step that actually needs to be taken, because when I say start free trial, when I'm going to click here, before I do it, I don't know if I need to give an email, if I need to install software in my computer, if I just need to open an account. I don't know. What I found out by clicking is that I need to install an extension. So maybe you can say something like add to Chrome, or install the extension, install the add-on, something that's more specific to the actual step that needs to be taken. Okay. What else? Well, this sentence is great, and these logos are great. If these companies are working with you, man, obviously they need to be here. So great. Um, what else here? Well, first, unlock the power of Google Sheets sounds like AI to me, and probably to many people. I will try to tweak it a little bit. Maybe, reword this sentence and say something like power Google Sheets power into Notion, something like that. Or maybe even better, attack the pain point that your users are having. Like, why do they want this? Why do they want to give Google Sheets powers to Notion? Why don't you use Google Sheets already? Um, I imagine that it's because there are people like me who use Notion for everything, that they want to have everything in one place. So maybe say that. Say keep everything in the same place. Notion tables are just as powerful as Google Sheets. Maybe even add the sentence, if you don't put it in the subheader here, what I said about just three steps: install, seek, and enjoy. But something that attacks the pain point. Okay, instead of repeating what's in the hero section, why do I want to install it? So keep it in the same place, simplify, um, keep everything sync, um, don't miss any data, whatever it is. What's the key? What's the key pain point? The main thing that it's hurting them and that makes them want to use it. So use that in here. Okay. For this part, it's pretty much well done. I will highlight that it's better to focus on the benefit than the feature. So instead of the superpower, mention what's the outcome for your user. Why do they care that they have formulas, charts, and backups? You are already kind of doing it because you're saying no more manual exports. That's great. Um, but one thing, if I go down, here we have formulas, charts, backups, and we have formulas. I expect to have charts here, but they are like wait, below here. I mean, the order, it's a little bit confusing. So just reorder them so they are saying the same thing in the same order. What else? Well, here, make this part is right. You are already explaining a little bit more. And you put here learn more, but I have to read everything to go to get to here. So maybe I will put this in bold, something that makes it a bit more obvious for people who really want to know what happens with this. Because then I see that you have a specific landing page for each of them, and that's great. You go deep into the feature. Uh, that I will change in here in those landing pages is have the button, the call to action again, because here you describe everything, but the button is only on the hero that disappears once I scroll down. So either make this fix that I can see it all the time, or repeat it at the bottom. What else? Mm, this is all the sections. Testimonials. Awesome. Maybe if these people are from the companies that you had here, that are big names and everybody is going to recognize, have them below the name. Like we transfer Circle, what was it? UPS. Put them in here. If they are big names, it's going to, well, it's repeating the same, but it's social proof and big social proof. So, um, and it's great. I have a view of what I will see once I install your add-on. Maybe add another image of what I will see in Notion, because what I want to see is how it works on in Notion. So I have the Google Sheets view here, but not the other one. So maybe just add it. That's great. And you repeat here this again. Amazing. That's what needs to be done. That's just one thing that I missed from your site, and it's a newsletter and a newsletter magnet. Why? Because well, people who starts using your product, they only install it, right? You have no way of reaching out to them, and with a software as a service and one that has different tiers, which I saw in pricing, you have a free trial, and then you have different tiers at different prices. What you want to do uh, is um, you want people who start using it for free to really fall in love with your product, and they need to understand how to use it and how to benefit from it. So if you get their email when they subscribe, you can send them emails and send them instructions apart from the onboarding flow that you will have once they install it. Um, you can send them emails and remind them to use it and remind that it's expiring and prompt them to upgrade to a new tier when it ends. You do that through email. Also, you want to you want your users to upgrade from Pro to Advanced, from Advanced to Premium, and you want them to increase the retention. You want them to keep using it forever and keep paying you forever. You do that by email. So create a newsletter that will help you, and create some bait, lead magnet, something that's useful for people who uses Notion, that makes them want to have that for free, just in exchange for an email. So either that or an extension of of the free trial, maybe for another week if you subscribe, if you give me my email, whatever. But some kind of bait that makes them give you your email, because emails lists are really easy to sell. Why is it that if you don't have anything? And that's it. Again, well done site. It's very good. Uh, these are just minor tricks that will probably help you increase conversions. So I hope you. If you have any doubt, just reach out to me. You have my email, and you want to find me on it. So thank you for watching. Good luck, Leandro. Bye.